I get questions daily on how to print different sizes for different projects. We now have a solution and it's totally epic. So let's get to it. My goal on this platform is to make teachers more creative and entertaining you in the process. Please take a second and leave a comment below. It lets me know how I'm doing and if you need anything creative done. And while you're there, hit the follow me button so you don't miss any new creative ideas. Hey, why not? It's totally free. You're not going to believe how simple this is. Such a simple thing. It's right there in front of you this whole time. It's your printer. Don't be scared. We can print together. You can do this. You're a teacher. That's what makes teachers so awesome. You will learn today such a simple thing that solves a big, huge problem. So with that in mind, here, let's get to it. First, I'll walk you through the download. Second, I'll walk you through how to size up the project. Then finally, third, we'll print together. This is totally a game changer. If you're still having issues, I want to hear from you. And if you're looking for any new exciting ideas for your classroom, please follow me. My name is Kathy Kruzak, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Without further ado, let's get started. So you hit download, and then you will look in your file on your computer. Most likely it'll be in your download file. So then you open that up, and you'll find 3 crayons here. Actually, there's 1 and a 2 and a 3. So I'm going to use the single one right now. So you're going to open this up in your paints. So we're going to open this up in paints. And there's my crayon we want to get edited. So I'm going to put, all right. So let's start again. So we opened up a font and make sure it's on transparent right here. And we're going to pick the color red. And we want this in red, so we highlight that, or you could pick the color first, whatever you'd like to do. Adjust that so it's in the center. Moving right along, you would go, I picked Bazooka as the font. You can change the font if you want. It's right over here on the left-hand side. You want to pick the the paint bucket, and then it's on red, so you want to hit there, hit there, hit there. And I like this center of this crayon. I want to pick a different color, just a little bit lighter, still in the same value, hue, color range, but I just want a little bit different. So there you go. Okay, so here we are. We're all set with the red, and now we're going to print. So what we've got to do here is go to File, Print Setup. So print setup, you want to adjust this here, and letter, that's what I have the size at. You want to enlarge it to 50% or 100%. It's going to fit on 3 pages. If you do 100%, that's a pretty big, huge crayon. So my calculations, let's take a look here. And the print preview, it's going to look like that. And then there's the center, and then you tape these 3 together. It's 3 pages totally. So that's what that looks like. And let's go to the printer.